This video is going to be all about how to be extremely effective at networking. All right, so networking, and meetings. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Gregory Martire, local realtor and team leader here in the Philadelphia area, talking about how to effectively network. So the book comes to mind, How to Win Friends and Influence People, or is it Influence Friends and Win People? Dale Carnegie book. Grab a copy of it. Super effective. It tells it all. So networking is by the nature of the term itself, you're talking to people. It's the human connection. That's how you're effectively networking. It's schmoozing, it's BSing, right? It's when you meet people, you talk to them, when you talk to strangers. So the complete effectiveness in networking, with everything going on, with social media, with all the big names in real estate and all the little names in real estate, successful business practice comes from the human connection. And if you'd like a copy of it, we have the National Association of Realtors. They spend hundreds of thousands of dollars compiling all this data every single year to see, where does business come from? And the lion's share, more than 2/3, comes from relational business. That's this year. This is 2021. So in 2020, and for the last 8 or 9 years, I can guarantee it. I'd have to go back before that to make sure, but I could almost guarantee that too. But for the last 9 years that we've been purchasing this list from the National Association of Realtors, it's relational. It's someone referring you. It's someone knowing you, liking you, and trusting you. Now, all that other stuff is very important. Social media and business cards, and check out some of our other videos. But because now you're staying in front of them. But it begins with networking. I hope you found that helpful. If you'd like some more help, you want to have a conversation, it's completely free. I'm happy to do it and glad to help. Give me a call, shoot me a text. We'll schedule a time. Have a great day, everybody.